We're the iFixScreens Central Islip store, and we are here to help you with all of your electronic device repair needs. Our technicians are professional and certified to perform the repairs you need. They undergo regular training and testing, so they can meet our high-quality standards in every job they complete. At our store, you will get same-day services for any repair requirements such as smartwatch repair, laptop and iPad repairs, and iPhone repair in Central Islip, New York. We also offer a variety of gaming console repairs, including Nintendo Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. We want to make sure you get the most out of your device, and that's why we offer a hassle-free 180-day warranty on any new parts we install. We'll do a free diagnostic and quote so you know exactly what to expect from us and how much it will cost before we start working on it. We also offer services like charging port repair, broken back glass repair, water damage repair, or iPhone screen replacement in Central Islip, New York, you name it. For your convenience, we offer walk-in and mail-in repair services to help you with most electronic devices. So if you're looking for the lowest cost of repairs and peace of mind knowing that your device is in good hands, contact us at 631-778-602. You can also check our website by visiting www.ifixscreens.com/location/central-islip-ny. Get your device repaired hassle-free at iFixScreens, Central Islip, New York.